my channel. In case if you're new in my channel, my name is Lorn, and into this video I'm going to show you what's inside of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. Few months ago I was challenged to make a video of what's inside of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. Let's get started. This Neverfull was a limited edition. Vogues Voyages avec des valises Louis Vuitton, and I really like the brand. I bought this in Brussels, Louis Vuitton. If you can see here, this is my initial, because my name is Lorna with Neverfull, so this is LW. These are inside of my bag when I'm traveling around Europe by car. So I have here the cotton, and I have here the personalized Lornbabes. I bought this in Bangkok. And inside I have this eye drops, and I have this contact lens, and this is my brush bag. I have also here the beauty blender, my brushes. This is for my powder, and this is for my blush. This is for my foundation. This and this for my foundation, and also this, and this one is for my pressed powder to blend it. And this is my lipstick bag from Forla. I like the color of this because I love pink color. And these are my lipsticks. Estee Lauder lipstick. I'll show you. It's pink color. YSL lipstick. Again, pink, because I really love pink. And this is from Milani. This is Matte Confident. Also from Milani, this is Matte Iconic, and the other is Matte Confident. And I love this color. I use this a lot. This is my favorite red color. And another Milani. I love Milani. And this is Matte Orchid. I also use a lot. I love this color. Both lipsticks are matte collection, and also YSL. I love this color. I like to wear this during winter because I don't like to wear dark color matte lipstick. This was limited edition. Matte lipstick flamboyage. The packaging is also limited edition, and this is from MAC. And this is Candy Yum Yum. I really love pink lipstick. This is my makeup bag from Michael Kors. So these are inside my hair ties. I have this, and I have MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is medium tan. Race powder from Milani, and I got 220. This color is natural beige. Then Estee Lauder foundation. This is double wear stay in place makeup, and I really love this one, guys, because it don't budge when you are using this on your face. And I have the color Cashew from Estee Lauder. I have a blush from MAC. The color is Dali Pink. I have from Laura Mercier loose powder, and I have this the mattifier shine control from Estee Lauder. I don't know if you can see. This is also a makeup base, and I really like using this Estee Lauder, the mattifier shine control. Hair clips. I have also here for the airwax. And of course my tablet, and this is my Kindle e-reader. I'm going to show you. So I have a lot of books, sci-fi, romance, aliens. I have different kinds of books, mostly romance book. So these are my Kindle. I need this when I travel. So obviously, you know. And this is my jewelry pouch. This is inside. So I got here, I have here my husband's watch, because my husband don't wear watch always. I need to force him to wear, so I always bring it with me. And of course my DKNY watch. I love chunky watches, and this is also my favorite, my fuchsia watch. I like it. And of course also my all-time favorite, my Guess watch. Jewelry. I'm not going to show you one by one, but this, when I'm traveling, I like to wear also gold. That's it. So I'm going to put it back. And I also bring with me a face mask when I'm traveling, like for example 10 days. I always bring 4 face masks with me. So this bag is from Coach, my beauty regimen bag. from Coach, and this Hyaluron Serum, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I like this on my lips. Diadermin, my night cream, and my day cream from Diadermin as well, and my night serum from Time Revolution from Mesha, and this is my day serum, and my eye cream, and my toner from La Roche-Posay. I have also Flawless You 2-in-1 from the Philippines, and I have this is Essence, and this is also my eye cream from Estee Lauder, and also from Estee Lauder face cream, and that's it. This Neverfull came also with pouch, and that's it. These are the stuff that I bring when I'm traveling around Europe as my hand carry when we go to the hotel, when we stay there. So I love this bag, guys. I love this Louis Vuitton. It's so chic. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will notify for my incoming next video. Once again, thank you for watching and see you